One thing we really like is this portable dog cage, and the reason we like it is because it's super simple to set up, so I'll show you. That's all there is to it. And it's tall enough, it's 24 inches, and it's 16 panels, and it's short enough to go under the stairs. It's even short enough to go under our slide out overhang. So this is perfect. The dogs can come out. They have a place to hang out outside. We always put our mat down under it so that their feet don't get all dirty. So super simple. And the other good thing is it took less than 5 minutes.
Tanks full where he's empty,